In tonight's Health Smart, a Newport Beach plastic surgeon says you can put your best face forward without going under the knife.
Lou Parker here with a new procedure that promises a fresh look in about an hour.
Yeah, it sounds too good to be true, right?
Well, let's see.
We all know we do this little lunch hour thing. Our lunch hour is a little different. And during that lunch hour, what do? We eat, right? Of course. But now a local doctor says all he needs is 60 minutes of your time and he'll take years off your face. You're like, and we do what?
Part of the cheek.
These lines right here.
A Wrinkle in Time may have been a best-selling book, but Debbie Matlow says it's a title she does not want to think about when looking in the mirror.
Gravity takes over, and so I would like to just have something done with those lines.
The 59-year-old is also in the market for a new job and insists she doesn't have any downtime to spare for a traditional surgical facelift.
I'm in the job market now, so I figured maybe a little touch-up would, give me a little bit of a, a heads up for that.
On a short break from hitting the pavement, Debbie booked an appointment with Dr. Burr von Maur for what's considered a lunchtime facelift.
What we have developed is called a lunchtime facelift, and it's a 4-step procedure. We're starting one of the fillers. It's the first step.
CosmetiCare in Newport Beach says give them 60 minutes and they'll take 10 years off your face.
I'm not the fountain of youth, but we have things that we can do to help you to look more beautiful.
The non-surgical procedure blends laser, fillers, Botox, and something called oxygenetics, medical makeup that helps speed up the healing process, plus conceals any small bruises that may occur.
The good candidate for a lunchtime facelift is someone who wants to get back to their normal life or to work sooner.
It cost about $2,000, but when after the lunch whistle blows, this patient smiles, putting her best face is priceless.
Okay, so because they use a numbing cream during that procedure, they basically told us that she barely felt any pain during this lunchtime facelift, and the doctor says her results will continue to improve once the swelling goes down in the next few weeks. Of course, you want to find out info, you can head over to KTLA.com. I had to ask, though, if you're doing this at lunch, I mean, really, you're going to go back to work? And he said, actually, most people go home and chill for the night, and then they go back to work the next day. And they also have the makeup that covers up a lot of the swelling.
Right,
Sure.
but the idea is that you can do it in an hour, right?
Hey, if you work in a cubicle, nobody will see you.
Yeah,
That's a good point. Working TV, not going to happen.
Yeah.
We'll take the day off.